Hello everyone, and the reason I'm so happy today is because my channel is finally monetized. I can't even tell you the happiness I am going through right now. So basically today it's a very huge and a very blessed day for all Catholics all over the world. It's Good Friday today. It's the 18th of April today when I'm shooting this video, and on this day I actually got accepted into the YouTube partner program and my channel has started getting monetized. Now a quick story, but before I start telling the whole story, first let me tell you that if you're watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me grow to 10k super soon. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So coming back to the story that I was actually telling you, I had started YouTube channel like a very long back when I was in my medical college days. If you don't know medical college, I'm a physiotherapist and that is via medical college. So back in those days, my life was very much on a tragic mode, you can say. My family had been through a lot, and when your family has been through a lot, being the only child, you are under a lot of bad impact. Like I'm telling you, the trauma is real when your family is going through something that is really worse for your mental health. And I was the only child, I had no sibling, and at that point I had a lot of shortage of money at home. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to earn something, and just one fine day I was googling on how to earn money at something 4 a.m. in the morning, and that's when I got to know about blogs, writing blogs and earning with ads, and I started doing it. I actually started writing blogs, and my blog page on blog post actually started getting good views because I used to write about skincare products, and that is how my first few earnings began. They were very little, but at that time it was huge. Soon then I got to know that even YouTube helps you earn money, and I'm not a person who likes to write much, but I'm a person who likes to talk much. So that is when I got a shift of idea that YouTube may be the thing that I need to do. So that is when I went on my computer. There's like a very khatara type computer that I had at home. I went on that and I actually started a YouTube channel, and I didn't tell my mother about it. I didn't tell anybody about it. I just started, and then one fine day I had a urge कि मुझे iPhone चाहिए, कुछ भी करके iPhone चाहिए, because iPhone cameras at that point were too good. Because अभी के cameras are too good for every phone. तभी के time when I was in college इतना कुछ खास नहीं था. So कैसे भी करके I got a iPhone 6 for some 20k. तभी iPhone 7 8 आ चुका था, तो 6 was like very inexpensive comparative to आज के iPhone prices. 20k was too much that time. Not taking anything for granted. Anyhow, I managed to get an iPhone. I actually started recording videos. बहुत टूटे फूटे फालतू videos थे. अभी देखोगे तो बोलोगे क्या बकवास है. But I actually started making videos, and that's how my YouTube journey began. All throughout, I made videos, and finally I got monetized. But my YouTube channel got hacked one day when I was in my final year, and it was very shattering. Let me tell you, I was already going through a huge mental trauma. I was actually taking medicines for that and trying to tackle that. And just when I was happy, नजर लग गई, YouTube channel hack हो गया. And hack तो हो ही गया. The hacker was uploading God knows what copyright content. वो YouTube channel ही delete हो गया. But ठीक है, गया. That night was really very bad for me. I called my brother, I called my current husband, and that time he was my boyfriend obviously, and I told them, and I was like really depressed. I was crying, sobbing. I didn't tell my mother because she would be really unhappy about it. She had seen my effort. And then both my brother and my husband, they both encouraged me that I must not give up and start a new YouTube channel. But somewhere in deep down, I was like अरे यार सारी मेहनत वापस करनी पड़ेगी. But I had this in me कि जिद तो है, करूँगी. Initially because I was in the final year, my videos were not regular, and then there was internship, and then there were 10,000 problems because of my so-called family. So problems keep coming. They just kept coming, and that was actually eating my mental health a lot. Videos बनाने के लिए कैमरा के सामने तुम टेढ़ा मुंह लेके नहीं बैठ सकते, रोता मुंह लेके नहीं बैठ सकते. You can't show your depression to the world, and I still managed somehow and started it again. My husband actually helped me. He got me good lighting, tripod, and all of that. He supported me basically with all of these things, technical things basically, and my YouTube video videos improved. Even my mom, she struggled, but anyhow gave me a laptop because she saw me struggling, and that laptop was a turning point in my life. I started editing videos on laptop and my quality improved, and that is how I started making videos on this channel. Okay, after my marriage I started doing this full time with full energy because now I'm happier. The family trauma, I just left behind that toxic family and I started my own family. I was happier now. I had like good mornings to start with, and that is when I started uploading videos, like every week 2 videos, and that changed the whole story. Within 6 months my watch hours were filled, like 4 hours ऐसे खत्म हो गए because every week I was putting 2 videos for 6 months continuously, consistently, and good quality videos, good content, genuine and honest reviews. I narrowed down my niche actually. I'll give you the tips in the last, but this was just the story behind the channel that I have right now. I had my own struggles and finally I monetized. I'm so happy, and thank you everyone who's watching this video, who's not watching this video but is a subscriber, has ever liked my video, shared with anybody. I want to thank you all for the love and support you all have given me. It's because of you I am here. So yeah, coming back to the tips on how I actually grew my channel. One thing is that I started as a skincare and makeup YouTube channel, and I used to put random lifestyle videos as well. I stopped doing that. I stuck to a very narrow niche, that is skincare, and I only started putting skincare video wherein skincare routines or skincare product review. This narrowing of niche actually helped me. I targeted a smaller group of audience who just wanted to see real genuine reviews of skincare product. I did not put makeup, only skincare was the thing that changed the whole thing for me. Second thing was that I made my scripts and content planning in advance. I will make a video on that, on how I plan my YouTube videos. That was the whole strategy that changed my life. Planning really helps. Pre-shooting, bulk shooting actually helps. So batching your content is very important. I'll share everything of this in a separate video. Otherwise ये video बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. Let me know in the comments if you want that video. So that really helped me. And third thing is that I changed my equipments. I actually upgraded them. I got a better ring light, a good camera. I have the Sony ZV-E10 right now, and I also tried to play around with my backdrop. Having good lighting is really important, especially when you're doing beauty videos. Lighting is a must. Shooting in natural light is not possible for me, so I did not opt in for that, but I invested in a good ring light. Fourth thing that I did was that I never missed upload. Even if I did, I compensated by posting shorts or something like this. So doing that really helped. It's just matter of luck. One video will go viral and your life will change. Every day you will be getting new subscribers, new comments, and your video will keep going viral. इससे आपके watch hours आराम से बढ़ जाएंगे. So that's the whole thing. And with YouTube, if you have something like wish link, such things will actually double your income. So having a lot of income streams is really important. Sticking to one will never give you bread and butter. So always have multiple streams of income. So if you don't know what's wish link, you can go click the I button and check. You can actually make a lot of good income from that as well. And the very last thing is that I actually started doing better with my editing skills. I started learning better editing and I kept on changing my editing. I improve it day by day. If you check my videos from the start till today, my editing has really improved. I change it, I improve it, I do it on my own. So it's taking me time to learn new things. It's not easy. एक दिन में नहीं होता है. It takes time. Practice makes a man perfect. So do it that way. And yeah, so these were like the whole few tips that I followed actually to get monetized. If you do it consistently for 6 months, trust me, आराम से हो जाता है. But remember to give good quality content. Quality over quantity is really important, because quality अगर खराब है, if you're going to copy somebody or if you'll repeat somebody's content, कोई नहीं देखेगा. What everybody has seen, they won't see it again. So make sure that you're making something genuine, unique, and adding value to your content that you're providing, because that's when people consume content from you. So make sure you follow these tips and you'll definitely get monetized on YouTube. It's not that tough. It's very easy if you be consistent. Oh yeah, one more thing. Whenever I get my first paycheck, I shall also share a video on how much I earned, how I earned, everything about it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to press the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, family, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.